Before we start this episode, I'd like to remind you that you can buy Python Learning Lab, a coding book for kids, by going to go.kidslearninglab.com/Python Learning Lab. Now, let's begin this episode. Welcome to Kids Learning Lab, a learning podcast made just for kids. What is a black hole? A black hole is a thing in space. These suck up anything that comes near them and grow bigger. Not even light can escape a black hole, so we see nothing. Black holes have something called an event horizon. This is an imaginary line in space. If something crosses that line, it's impossible to escape the gravitational pull of the black hole. The object eventually will become stretched out in a process called spaghettification. That's because when people are stretched out, they look like spaghetti. But how do black holes form? Black holes form because of large stars. These stars often implode on themselves, and the force of gravity becomes so strong it eats itself. This happens when large stars get too big and reach the end of their life. Did you know that there are black holes at the centers of galaxies, just like the Milky Way? The black hole at the center of the Milky Way is called Sagittarius A star. Black holes are invisible because light is sucked in. When a black hole sucks something in, it doesn't vanish, it just gets compressed extremely tightly. It's like trying to fit a huge elephant into your tiny fingernail. To look for black holes, scientists look at the orbits of nearby spatial objects or use X-rays. Now, here's some fun facts about black holes. Number 1. Black holes can slow down time. The same way it sucks in objects, it can dilate time and space. Number 2. Black holes can produce sound. In one case, a black hole made a sound 57 octaves, or groups of 8 notes, down from middle C. Number 3. Even though light can't bounce off a black hole for us to see, we took a picture of one using telescopes. That's the episode art for this episode. Number 4. A teaspoon of black hole matter would weigh billions of tons. Number 5. Have you ever placed something heavy on something like a trampoline? If so, you can see the nets go down because of the weight of the object. A black hole is just like that. It can bend the net of time and space. Number 6. For someone who's watching a person fall into a black hole, gravity is so strong that it looks like the person is stuck at the edge of it. However, in reality, the person has fallen through. Thanks for listening to this episode of Kids Learning Lab. Remember, you can buy Python Learning Lab by going to go.kidslearninglab.com/Python Learning Lab, or get the ebook by going to patreon.com/kidslearninglab/shop. Thanks for supporting Kids Learning Lab.